John, 30
No, before we start, come on, you need to show your face on the camera. This is young Callum. He's interviewed me before, after the, what game was it?
Partick Thistle.
Partick Thistle. He wants to be a freelance journalist or interviewee.
Yeah.
So here we go, have a good shot, alright?
Thank you. John, 13 points from a possible 15. Still top of the league and keeping another clean sheet. You must be absolutely delighted with the superb form.
Yeah, I am. All credit to the boys because they work hard. From the first day we've come back in. Could not ask for any more, as you say, clean sheets, playing some nice football, scoring goals, top of the league, and long may it continue.
It was a brilliant performance. How relieved were you when Aaron finally broke the deadlock after 75 minutes?
Yeah, it was frustrating. It was a frustrating first half, and we're finding it difficult to break Kilmarnock down. We had a lot of the ball, and we were just a little bit out of shape. Second half, we got the sprinklers on the pitch. It speeded it up a little bit for us. In the first 25 minutes, we really put our marker down, passed it a lot quicker, dictated the game, played some lovely football. And the goal that Aaron scored was probably a lovely football goal. If you were a purist, you'd say that's a really nice football goal. And I'm delighted for Aaron Dorrans because he's found himself out of the team through no fault of his own, but he's certainly staked a claim to stay in the team for next week.
And what do you think of Greg's stunner to seal the game?
Well, believe it, between you and me, he's not going to get it. The referee said it was an own goal. Spoil spot, isn't it, Killjoy? But absolute, between you and me, it was Greg Tansey's goal, but he's got that in him. What a great strike, he's just cut across it enough. And we got a bit lucky, as you say, it come off the post, hit the goalkeeper, went in. But for me, it's Greg Tansey's goal, and he's got that in his locker. So it's delighted for him, but his range of passing, switches of play and opening the play up, and it was absolutely outstanding today.